Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a 1/12 scale licensed Vespa 946, which is a 1978 model scooter manufactured by Newray, and this is a silver limited edition. And today I'm going to be showing you the features and specifications of this amazing Vespa diecast model, so stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, this is a premium 1/12 scale diecast replica of the Italian two-wheeler brand Piaggio, which launched the extremely exclusive Vespa 946 edition. This scooter was commissioned in 2016, and in India this actual model is priced at a whopping 12,04,970 Indian rupees, but however we have a licensed 1/12 scale diecast replica. Well, this 1/12 scale Vespa comes in a Vespa affiliated boxing with all the product branding and information, so let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set this beauty free. And with that out of the way, and as we get this opened, kindly be careful while using sharp objects, and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. And getting this open was easier said than done. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this amazing bodywork on this premium diecast replica. Well, all I can say is that this is an amazing diecast indeed. So with that being said, this is a unique diecast model of the Vespa 946, which is a limited edition scooter manufactured by Newray. And at first glance, this diecast Vespa looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of detailing as well. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking and an awesome diecast collectible. This model has a beautiful build quality, and they measure in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weigh in at about 130 grams, which are standard specs for a licensed 1/12 scale motorcycle. This model comes with a limited edition all silver paint job and has signature branding details according to its color scheme. And this model has free rolling wheels and a lot more, which makes it functional and a premium diecast collectible. And with that out of the way, now let's place this premium Vespa diecast model on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this classic beauty on the Dnation turntable and take a look at it in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Vespa is an Italian brand of scooter manufactured by Piaggio. The name means wasp in Italian. The Vespa has evolved from a single model motor scooter manufactured in 1946 by Piaggio and Company of Pontedera, Italy, to a full line of scooters and one of 7 companies today owned by Piaggio. From their inception in terms of design and styling, the Piaggio Vespa 946 takes inspiration from the 1946 Vespa scooters, coupled with the most advanced technology in the scooter segment. The scooter is underpinned by a steel plate monocoque frame with aluminum parts including the rims, handlebars, side panels and front mudguard that are accentuated by neo-retro character lines and matte silver color. Mechanically, the Vespa 946 is powered by a 125cc single-cylinder unit that churns out 11.7 bhp of power and 10.3 mm of torque, while paired to an automatic transmission. And for further information on Vespa, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing 1/12 scale Vespa that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing limited edition diecast Vespa model. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.